Having solid and rapidly developing hair is of worry to numerous ladies around the globe. However, the salon medicines can be very exorbitant. Garlic can help avoid hair misfortune, and in addition enable hair to develop all the more rapidly. It can even help hair from turning dim or white. This is on the grounds that garlic has critical components in it, for example, copper, selenium, sulfur and vitamin C. These components are basic to hair well-being. For example, copper causes hair to develop all the more rapidly, thickens the hair and makes the shading more dynamic. The present video will talk about how to utilize garlic to help your hair. 1. Blend with coconut oil. Coconut oil can be rubbed into hair to keep up its well-being. In this manner, garlic juice can be added to the coconut oil preceding kneading the hair and scalp. Garlic juice can be made by squashing some garlic cloves. In the wake of blending with the coconut oil, warm the blend for a couple of minutes and mix well to guarantee it is completely consolidated. In the wake of cooling, put the blend onto your scalp and back rub it into your hair and scalp. Utilize this strategy a few times week after week to see the best outcomes. 2. Add to your shampoo or potentially conditioner. The least difficult approach to add garlic to your hair is to add it to your cleanser and conditioner. For a characteristic conditioner, utilize nectar and garlic juice. Ginger can be added to kill the scent of the garlic. Note that this cleanser ought not be utilized more than twice every month, since utilizing more than this will dry out the hair and scalp. 3. Blend with olive oil. Place cloves of garlic straightforwardly into olive oil. Permit to inject for around 1 week. At that point, apply straightforwardly onto the make a beeline for resting. Wash hair and scalp toward the beginning of the day, keeping in mind the end goal to advance hair development and avoid hair misfortune. 4. Rub into head. Utilizing a garlic clove, basically rub straightforwardly onto the piece of the scalp that has endured hair misfortune. Do this 1 hour before sleep time. In the wake of rubbing onto the head, hold up 1 hour and afterward knead the scalp, utilizing olive oil. At that point, utilize a bed cap or hood to cover the head while resting. Early in the day, wash the hair and scalp well. Rehash this procedure regularly with a specific end goal to restore hair development. 5. Garlic oil. Garlic oil can likewise be acquired in the grocery store. Be that as it may, it is to a great degree simple to make. Just slash garlic finely and put into olive oil for no less than 2 weeks. On the off chance that olive oil isn't open, almond oil can be substituted. Refrigerate the implanted oil in the middle of employments. 6. Direct application. Garlic can be pounded and the juice can be kneaded straightforwardly onto the scalp and hair. Once connected, leave in for a couple of minutes and afterward wash, as ordinary, with cleanser and conditioner.